Hey, health warriors! I'm excited to share something truly inspiring with you today. I'm Farhad, the visionary behind Spoon Crafty, a channel that's revolutionizing the way we think about food and health. So, who am I? Well, imagine someone whose life's passion isn't just eating healthy, but making healthy eating absolutely irresistible. Yes, my journey is not about bland diets or unseasoned veggies. It's about crafting meals that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Growing up, I was always fascinated by the power of food, not just as fuel, but as a way to enhance life, improve health, and bring joy. This passion led me to a 38-year culinary career and the creation of Spoon Crafty, a platform dedicated to showing individuals how to turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary, healthier version meals that nourish both the body and soul. At Spoon Crafty, it's all about innovation in the kitchen. Whether it's tweaking traditional recipes to boost their health benefits, or introducing exciting new flavors that also pack a nutritional punch, I'm always experimenting. And the best part? I share all these secrets with those interested through engaging videos that not only teach how to cook, but why these choices are beneficial for your health. But Spoon Crafty isn't just another cooking channel. It's a movement towards building healthier eating habits, one delicious spoonful at a time. My mission is clear: to influence, educate, and inspire to make better food choices that are easy, tasty, and most importantly, sustainable for long-term health. So if you're looking to spice up your meal preps or just need some motivation to start eating healthier, Spoon Crafty is your go-to resource. Dive into this culinary adventure with me and transform the way you think about food. Because here, healthy doesn't just mean healthy, it means scrumptiously healthy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to visit Spoon Crafty for your next food inspiration. Or better yet, subscribe to our channel for weekly recipes. Let's make health a part of our daily ritual, one spoon at a time. Catch you on the next video, and remember, it's not just food, it's a lifestyle.